Hi guys, I am Cazar from 320 and I am a biology major. And for today's video, we are going to do a microbiotechnique called blood smearing and staining. Are you ready to take this challenge? Without further ado, let's start our video. Oops. Before we perform the experiment, let's now first follow the safety precautions. Number 1. I will take off my graded glass because it's more appropriate to wear safety glasses like this. Alright. Next is to wear laboratory gloves. It is important to wear gloves because this protects your hands from infection and contamination. Amazing, right? Next is wear face mask to cover mouth and nose. Alright. Am I now ready? Of course, not yet. We must not forget to wear our laboratory gown. This is it. We can now start our experiment for today's video. Let's do a microbiotechnique called blood smearing and staining. For this experiment, we will need the following. First, we need the rubbing alcohol and cotton balls. Next, we have the distilled water. And for staining, we will use Leishman stain. We also need glass slides. Dropper, tweezers, and finally, we need the petri dish. Let's start our experiment. First, let's take 2 glass slides and clean it using a 90% alcohol and cotton balls. Rub. After that, I will remove one of my gloves because I need to disinfect a finger that I'm going to prick using my blood lancet or pricking device. Took. When blood comes out, place a tiny droplet of the blood at the center of one of the corner of one of the glass slides. Alright, the next thing that I'm gonna do is to get the other slides and touch the drop of the blood while inclining the slide at a 45-degree angle. In order to obtain a smear, gently and briskly move the side towards the other end. As you can see, a properly smeared blood is like the shape of a tongue, just look like this. For a couple of minutes, let us dry the smear of blood, and after that, let us now get the petri dish and put the blood smear facing up. Then, we will add several drops of a Leishman stains and cover the petri dish to stain it for a minute. After a minute, add twice the volume of distilled water to the stain. Allow the water and the stain to properly mix and keep it and wait for another 10 minutes. The next thing that we're gonna do is, using a tweezer, get the slide to drain and wash it with distilled water. Voila! The slide is now ready for observation under microscope. As you can notice, proper staining results in a blood smear that is rose pink in color. And to end this procedure, we perform a microbiotechnique on how to prepare a thin blood smear and stain it with an appropriate stain for the morphological and quantitative study of the various cellular elements of blood. Congratulations! We did great today! Again, I am Cazar, your resident student teacher from Pangasinan. See you on my next video.